My mobile phone is 4 years old. I bought it because my old phone was broken. The power button of my old phone stopped working, so I bought a new one. My mobile phone is quite basic. It has a big screen, 2 cameras, a front and a back camera, and 3 buttons. It has a power button and 2 buttons for the volume. I have got 2 phone cases. One of my phone cases is blue and the other one is pink. I have a charger to charge my phone when I don't have battery. My battery is very good. I charge my phone every 2 days, so every 48 hours. I don't use my phone a lot during the day, only in the evenings. My phone has a SIM card, so I can call and text people. I use 10 apps on my phone every day. The camera, WhatsApp, YouTube, my email, my music library, calls, the calculator, the calendar, my photo gallery, my remote control app for the TV, and Instagram. I take photos with my phone, but I don't like to take selfies. I don't like calling on my phone, and I hate voicemail. Voicemail is the message you leave when you call someone and they don't answer. If you leave a message, you leave a voicemail. I prefer texting and sending messages, not calling. I don't download many apps because I don't have a lot of space on my phone. And the space is the biggest problem that I have. In the future, I will buy a new phone with more space, so I can have more photos and more apps on it. I have a pin on my phone, which is a secret code. My phone is locked and you need a pin to unlock it. You need to swipe the screen to enter the pin. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in another video.